Hi, welcome back to Creasy's Corner. In today's video we're going to be planting carrots and corn. Here are some fun facts about the carrots. Carrots are from Afghanistan. They are 88% water and come in a few colors like white, yellow and purple. Cooked carrots are better for you than raw carrots. Also have seeds that are found on the white flowers they produce. Beta carotene is what makes them orange and turns into vitamin A, which is good for your eyesight. Lastly, the man who did the voice of Bugs Bunny hated carrots. Alright, let's go planting. We have finished planting our carrots, so now let's move on to our corn.
Lovely.
Here we have our corn. Let's tell you some interesting facts. Corn is a part of the grass family. The ear is part of the flower, and an individual kernel is a seed. Corn is produced on every continent except Antarctica. Corn is used in cereal, has a sweetener and for feeding animals. It also comes in different colors like bluey gray, purple, and red and white. So let's get these guys into their holes. Alright guys, we have finished planting our corn, so now it's the end of the video, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm going to do a huge shout out to Auntie Mel and Uncle Nathan for watching the videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!